So students, in this video lesson, we will talk about one more concentration term, that is mole fraction. It's represented by capital X, and for its definition, just remind its topic, that is mole fraction, or we can say that it is fraction of mole. So its definition will be, it is ratio of mole of one component to the total number of mole of all the component present in solution. That means mole of one component divided by total mole of all component. Suppose we are talking about binary solution or solution in which two components are present, that is solute plus solvent. That is solute plus solvent. It is equal to solution. For its unit, remember there is no unit. Fraction has no unit. I talked about already binary solution, a solution in which two components are present. One is solute, another is solvent. So for binary mixture, we want to calculate mole fraction of solute and mole fraction of solvent. Then remember, if mole fraction of solute, then number of mole of solute divided by number of total mole of solution. That means number of mole of solute plus number of mole of solvent. Similarly, for mole fraction of solvent, we should divide number of mole of solvent divide by total number of mole of solution. What is total number of mole of solution? It is number of mole of solute plus number of mole of solvent. Remember one more important thing, that is if we are going to sum mole fraction of two component, that is X solute plus X solvent, it is always equal to 1. See how. What is X solute? Number of mole of solute divided by number of mole of solution plus number of mole of solvent divided by number of mole of solution. Take sum, N solute, N solvent. N solute plus N solvent is equal to N solution. Hence, N solution divided by N solution is always equal to 1. One more important thing, if we are calculated already X solute, then simply 1 minus X solvent, or X solvent equal to 1 minus X solute. Suppose we have to solve this question which is based on mole fraction. If in a mixture 16 gram methane, 34 gram ammonia and 54 gram H2 are present. Here three components, number 1 methane, number 2 ammonia and number 3 water are present. Then we have to find mole fraction of each component present in the solution. So as per the formula, X ammonia, what is X ammonia? Mole fraction of ammonia equal to number of mole of ammonia divided by total mole of all the components. Next, mole fraction of methane divided by number of mole of CH4 or methane divided by total mole of all the component. Similarly, for mole fraction of H2O, that is number of mole of H2O divided by total mole of all the component which are present in the solution. Now see, in question, is there mole is given or mass is given? So we can see that here number of mole is not given. Here only given mass, that is 16 gram, 34 gram and 54 gram are given. So for solving this question, our first duty is that first we have to find number of mole of each component. For example, number of mole of ammonia. that means given mass of ammonia, that is kitna 34 gram, divide by gmm of ammonia. What is gmm of ammonia? That is gram atomic mass of nitrogen, and that is 14, 3 into 1, 1 for hydrogen and 3 number of hydrogen. Therefore 34 divided by 17, answer is 2 mole. And next for mole fraction, mole of methane, that is given mass 16 whole divided by gmm of methane, that is 16 by 16, answer is 1. Next is number of mole of H2O. What is given mass of H2O? H2O is 54 gram, and gmm of H2O, that is 18. So 54 divided by 18, it is 3. Now we can calculate mole fraction. So XNH3 equal to number of mole of ammonia, that is 2, number of mole of CH4, that is 1, number of mole of H2, that is 3. Now 2 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 3, answer is 2 by 6. Similarly for XCH4, it is 1 by 6, and for XH2O, it is 3 by 6. Now if we are you are going to sum total number total mole fractions, that is 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 6, it will equal to 1. Thank you.